Hi, I am Archit. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of Pluralsight, what it is, how it works, and some of the features that make it a great place to learn new skills. So let's take a tour of Pluralsight and see what it's all about. This is the home page, also known as the main page. Here you can see tabs such as based on your activity, based on your interest. These courses are solely based on the courses you are taking or you have already taken. For me, I have taken Snow Pro core course, and because of which I'm getting all these recommended courses. Then there is browser. This is a section where you can search all the courses or you can find all the courses that this website has to provide. Currently, this website has around 11,995 courses in here. And then there is the search bar at the top where you can search any course and you can find it. For example, I'm searching Python, and if I search Python, I can see all the courses related to Python. There are path courses and everything. Then there are filters. There are a lot of filters such as content type, category. Categories are basically the variety of courses that you can find on this website. There are around 7 categories like artificial intelligence, cloud, IT ops, and more, which you can filter through and find the right course. Then you can also filter based on topics. There are a lot of topics, and you can just search on the search bar. Then there is certification, job role, level, language, duration, rating. There are a lot of ways you can filter the content, and so that you can find the best content that you need. So content types are basically the different ways you want to learn a topic or a chapter. The four major content types are courses, labs, paths, and certifications. So let's dive into courses. Let's take the first course as an example. So course is basically a chapter which consists of a lot of small topics. So here you can see there are a lot of different topics that you can learn for a chapter. Then there is labs. Labs let you practice skills in a real environment through guided exercises, so you can learn by doing instead of just watching and gradually build confidence as you go. The third content type is paths. Paths are basically a combination of both courses and labs. It's basically a, a cluster of chapters, so it's basically an area that you master in or you learn. For example, in Python Essentials, this path will cover all the courses that are considered as essentials in Python. Then Skill IQ, which is a very interesting feature on Pluralsight, which measures your current skill level in a specific area. You take a short assessment, and based on your answers, it gives you a score that shows whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced. What's useful is that it also highlights your strengths and areas where you can improve, so you know exactly what to focus on next. This makes your learning more targeted instead of just guessing what to study and helps you track your progress over time. Pluralsight also offers certification prep courses, which are designed to help you get ready for industry exams with structured content and practice materials to build your confidence before taking the test. Channels in Pluralsight help you organize and share groups of courses by topics, which makes it easier to plan your learning or collaborate with others. The fastest way to add a course in the channel is to go to the course. For example, here I'm taking a path. Let's take Agile Project Management. On the top right, you can click Add Channel, and then you can click on the channel you want to add that path in or the course in. And then we'll go to Channels. You click on your channel, you can see the course right there, and you can click on that and go to the course. The last interesting feature I want to talk about is called hands-on. It is basically a sandbox in Pluralsight, which are open environments where you can experiment freely without step-by-step instructions. They let you explore and apply your knowledge independently, trying out different approaches and solving problems on your own. That wraps up our quick Pluralsight overview. Thanks for watching.